Hi there. Today more about process of enlightenment. Enlightenment opens up the heart. Enlightened state is a unity of inner and outer experience through the heart. We are so plunged and merged into the outside experience, majority of people at this time, that we first need to re-establish and reconnect with the inner experience. And we do that through the practice of no thinking, getting away from thoughts. And as we sink more and more into the silence and stillness of the inner experience, we are starting the process of enlightenment. We are going deeper and deeper. And as enlightenment progresses, the heart opens up completely. And all this stillness and silence and bliss from the inner experience spread all the way into the outer experience. Everywhere. They absorb everything on both levels. And although we stay resting and based inside this core of the stillness and silence, without words, without thoughts, we at the same time experience all the surface movement of the mental images, sounds, tastes, smells, thoughts coming and going, circling, never stopping. And at the same time, stillness, silence, bliss from the inner state, from the base, from our anchor. All is one. Enlightened state is a unity of both levels of experience, the inner and outer. But always staying anchored in silence and peace. Always resting. Understanding everything more and more through the language of silence, without words. Because inner experience has no mental concepts, no words. But there is clarity and knowing. And when communicating on the outer level, in the so-called outside physical world, we have to somehow translate this inner experience of peace and stability and bliss and knowing into the words. And it can never be accurate. It is never exactly as it is. It cannot be. But it's an attempt to relate to people who have not reached that state yet when they can unite the inner and outer. Maybe that they have not even developed the stillness and silence and inner experience yet. But as you progress with your practice. And at first you sort of feel this division. You have this division. On one side you have this outside physical world, the world of mental concepts, attachment to the thoughts, where everything is moving. And then on the other side you're practicing and making stronger and stronger this experience of silence and stillness and peace and knowing and understanding without words. At a certain point in this process of enlightenment, when the heart opens up, the heart is the key, the heart. And everything spreads through the heart. And both levels and both states of experience are filled up completely with this stillness and silence and presence that is always there. And your experience on the outer level will become somewhat surreal, dreamlike. Everything is passing through, passing by. Everything is changing all the time, but you are anchored. In presence, in pure being, in stillness and silence. Both experiences are real. We experience both at the same time. But the quality and intensity and immediacy of these two experiences are different. The one on the outer level in enlightened state is not that immediate, not that direct, not that strong. Like something moving on a screen with 3 dimensions. And the one of peace and silence and stillness is immediate, direct, fills up the heart and spreads everywhere. It's something for all of us to take part in and to experience this unity of enlightened state, all of us. Take care.